The future of mankind depends on the future of energy. It matters where it comes from, and we have to make the most of it. Energy needs to be available, affordable, and safe for all. Here at Sustainable USA, we pride ourselves in saying that we provide energy solutions that are tailored for each case, all while using renewable energy sources. With only 41% of the population connected to the grid, and an average energy consumption of 153 watts per hour per capita, it is important that the energy be cheap. Approximately 70% of the current energy production is based on fossil fuels, where these fuels will not last more than 150 years. Therefore, it is critical that a long-term, viable, and financially stable solution be found. Sustainable USA has concluded that harnessing the power of the sun through solar thermal would be the most suitable energy solution for the United States of Africa in order to reduce its dependency on fossil fuels. With over twice the solar potential of that of Europe, the possibilities are numerous.
We have chosen concentrated solar power for our project. Concentrated solar power uses arrays of mirrors to concentrate the sunlight onto a small area to generate heat. This heat in turn drives a heat engine to generate electricity. There are 4 reasons that led us to choose this technology over photovoltaics. It's cheaper, it requires less surface area, it has a higher capacity factor due to its capability to store heat, and cost reductions up to 40% could be achieved by the year 2020. A parabolic draw is a suitable type of CSP for this project because its costs and maintenance are lower than using a solar tower. United States of Africa will need 1700 megawatts of power by the year 2050. Sustainable USA is able to achieve 60% of this goal by building 10 solar plants all over the country. Each plant will have a capacity of 100 megawatts. The total cost for this project will be lower than $10 billion. First plant will be opened by the first quarter of 2016. It will occupy a surface area of 4 km square. There will be 1248 CSP units operating this plant. The system will have a storage time of 4.5 hours and a capacity factor of 50%. Molten salt will be used to both work as a heat transfer fluid and thermal energy storage. A Siemens SST 700 will be used as a steam turbine of this plant. This turbine has an efficiency of 38.1%. We will be able to add more CSP units in the future because the turbine is capable of reaching a capacity of 175 megawatts of power. The cycle for this process will be Rankine reheat.
There are many challenges associated with running any large power plant, and concentrated solar power is no exception. One of the greater challenges is maintenance. The parabolic mirrors, which are used to concentrate the energy of the sun, need to be kept as clean as possible, and believe me, this is harder said than done. Concentrated solar power plants need as much sun as possible. Dry and arid climates provide the necessary amount of sunlight, but dry climates also mean there's a lot of dust in the air. Even a thin film of dust which forms on the mirrors can cause an enormous loss in efficiency. Currently, human-operated vehicles with a variety of attachments are used to clean the mirrors. There are sensors which help guide the human in positioning of the brushes, but it is still a hard task. On some other units, there are no brushes at all, but only water jets. Surprisingly, pure water must be used in order to eliminate the contaminants which could leave behind a residue and prevent the mirrors from reflecting the most sunlight possible. It is also important to be noted that no soap is used in this process. Sustainable USA is currently working to develop new brush designs which would allow for a more efficient and water-free cleaning of the reflective surfaces. The heart of any steam power plant is the turbine, which rotates to create electricity. The turbine is extremely complex and sophisticated. The Siemens SST 700 turbine has been used for many concentrated solar power plants in the past, such as Boulder Lake, Nevada plant. The SST 700 turbine is ideal for the United States of Africa, and thanks to a great maintenance program from Siemens, any additional costs can be avoided. Siemens offers an upfront and long-term maintenance program at fixed cost to help avoid any surprises down the road. Additional remote monitoring feature is also available for added peace of mind. Siemens is available online or by the phone 24 hours a day, 365 days a year to assist with any problems.